This is your destiny.
What?
Whatever you do, do not make a sound. I'm Jake from the T.F.F. That's Turkey Freedom Front. You've just been recruited for a top-secret mission.
Ah! Help! I've been kidnapped by a wild turkey! Security! Set tasers to kill! Ah!
What was that?
Oh!
Love your enthusiasm, comrade.
Ah!
But you're running in the wrong direction. Besides, we're already behind schedule.
We're behind schedule?
We are? Why didn't you say so? Let's move!
Look, I think you have me confused with somebody else. I'm not part of any mission.
Horizon seems clear. Hold on.
Hey, wait! It's me! The pardon turkey, help me!
A strange rogue turkey. Stay back. I'll take him out. Ah!
Please don't hurt me.
I don't know who you are, but you're seriously jeopardizing this operation.
Are you insane? It's me.
Is it? Is it really?
Would you get off me? You know what? I'm sick of you throwing me around. You see this line? Do not come into my personal space. Did you not see the line? Because I was pretty clear that it's right.
Snap out of it, Reggie.
Wait, how did you know my name?
Because he told me everything about you.
He? Who is he?
The Great Turkey. He appeared in the sky on a bright ball of light with a voice that came from everywhere. He gave me my mission, told me I needed to find you, and then he gave me this.
A doorknob.
The sacred time knob.
This guy is a lunatic.